Hello students, welcome once again, and today we are going to take chapter 1, number and their operations. Under this chapter, our today's topic will be natural numbers, whole numbers, and after discussing about natural numbers and whole numbers, we are going to discuss some bigger numbers. As you have already read about the small numbers, and now we will take some large numbers and we will discuss about those large numbers under our today's topic. Okay, so let's begin with our today's topic. So first comes natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers, in natural numbers n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, that is the natural number starts from 1 and move on to endless. The smallest natural number is 1 and there are countless natural numbers, so there is no greatest natural number. Okay. Then whole numbers, when 0 is added to a collection of natural numbers, they becomes whole numbers. So the difference between natural number and whole number is 0. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. Okay. The only difference between whole number and natural number is 0. Then we are having the diagrammatic representation of natural numbers and whole numbers. So here you can see natural numbers starts from 1 and move on 2, 3, 4 and so on. And whole numbers, when 0 is added to the natural numbers, they becomes whole numbers and we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay. Then we are having bigger numbers. So in this chapter we are going to write the bigger numbers in words and figures. So how we read the numbers, what will help us to read out the numbers, the bigger numbers. So to understand the relationship between numbers, we use place value chart. In the place value chart, we need to place the numbers and then we can easily read out them. As you can see, there are two types of number system: Indian place value chart and international place value chart. So here comes bigger numbers, and the first chart I have placed you in front of you is Indian system of place value chart. Here how we count the numbers, you can see we start from ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arab and 10 arabs. And in this way we can categorize the digits of the given number and we can count the number and we can write the number name. Next we are having the place value chart in international system. Here you can see we have categorized 100, 1000, million and billion. And how we read the number? We start from ones and move on to ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Then it comes billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. So there is difference between Indian and international place value chart. Here we group the number in threes from the right, whereas in Indian system first comma comes after 3 from the right and then you put comma after every 2 digits. Okay. Then we are having how we place the comma in numerals. So according to Indian system, the first comma is placed after 3 digits from the right, the second comma after next 2 digits, that is 5 digits from right and so on. For example, we have taken a number over here and we need to place the commas. So here I have taken a small tabulation according to the place value chart, that is ones, thousands, lakhs, crores and arabs. And accordingly I have placed last 3 digits I have placed here in ones column, then next 2 digits from right, then next 2 and so what I have got here 46 arabs, 54 crore, 12 lakh, 14,000 and 454. And accordingly I can place the commas also. Then in international system, again I have taken the table and here you can see I have grouped the numbers in threes from ones, thousands, million and billion. So 46 billion, 541 million, 214,000 and 454. Okay. In this way you can use these small place value chart tabulations to put the commas in large numbers. Okay.